Opposites attract. It's a tale as old as time. But when it comes to zodiac compatibility, this concept gets even more fascinating. Some pairings seem destined to clash, yet they thrive against all odds. Ever wondered why an emotional Cancer could fall for a bold Aries? Or how a logical Virgo connects so deeply with a dreamy Pisces? In this video, we'll uncover the most unusual zodiac pairings, the surprising chemistry that makes them tick, and the lessons we can all learn from their unique bonds. Make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll reveal the ultimate against-all-odds pairing that will blow your mind. Astrology gives us insight into how personalities interact, and often we expect people of similar elements, fire with fire, earth with earth, to mesh effortlessly. But what if I told you that the most exciting and magnetic connections often happen between signs you'd never expect? In today's video, we'll explore 1. Why opposites in the zodiac attract. 2. The quirks and challenges of these unusual pairings. 3. How these relationships reveal the true beauty of balance in love and friendship. First, let's start with a duo that combines fire and water, a pairing that's as intense as it is unexpected. Can you guess which fiery leader falls for the nurturing heart? Let's dive in. Aries, ruled by Mars, is all about action, independence, and forging ahead fearlessly. Cancer, ruled by the Moon, is deeply emotional, nurturing, and focused on home and family. At first glance, these two couldn't be more different. Aries charges headfirst into challenges, while Cancer takes a cautious, protective approach. Aries thrives on adventure. Cancer finds comfort in routine. But despite, or maybe because of, their differences, Aries and Cancer complement each other in profound ways. Aries teaches Cancer to embrace risk and step out of their comfort zone, while Cancer reminds Aries of the importance of emotional connection and stability. For example, Aries might plan a spontaneous weekend getaway, encouraging Cancer to leave their cozy home environment. Meanwhile, Cancer ensures Aries has a warm, loving space to return to after their adventures. Their main challenge? Communication. Aries can sometimes come across as blunt or insensitive, which might hurt Cancer's feelings. Cancer, on the other hand, might withdraw emotionally when they feel overwhelmed by Aries' intensity. But when they learn to understand each other's needs, they create a bond that's both exciting and nurturing, a perfect balance of fire and water. Have you ever witnessed an Aries and Cancer in a relationship? Did they complement each other or clash? Let me know in the comments below. Next, let's explore a pairing that brings imagination and logic into a beautiful and surprising harmony. Why they're unusual. Pisces, the intuitive dreamer, is ruled by Neptune, the planet of imagination and spirituality. Virgo, on the other hand, is ruled by Mercury and thrives on logic, organization, and precision. On the surface, this pairing seems like oil and water. Virgo might see Pisces as impractical or too idealistic, while Pisces might view Virgo as overly critical or rigid. But here's where the magic happens. Virgo helps Pisces ground their dreams in reality. They provide the structure and support Pisces needs to bring their ideas to life. Meanwhile, Pisces encourages Virgo to embrace creativity, let go of perfectionism, and see the beauty in imperfection. For example, if Pisces dreams of starting an art gallery, Virgo will handle the budgeting and planning while Pisces focuses on the creative vision. Together, they achieve what neither could do alone. One challenge for this duo is learning to communicate effectively. Pisces' emotional approach can sometimes clash with Virgo's logical mindset. Virgo might want to fix a problem, while Pisces simply needs emotional support. When they learn to appreciate their different approaches, they create a partnership that's both grounded and inspiring. Do you think opposites like Pisces and Virgo can thrive together? Share your thoughts below. Next, let's talk about a pair that's as passionate as it is mysterious. Leo and Scorpio. Why they're unusual. Leo, ruled by the sun, loves the spotlight, thrives on admiration, and exudes confidence. Scorpio, ruled by Pluto and Mars, is deeply mysterious, intense, and prefers to operate behind the scenes. Leo's flamboyant nature can feel overwhelming to Scorpio, while Scorpio's enigmatic personality might frustrate Leo. It's a classic battle of light versus shadow. But when these two come together, their passion is unmatched. Leo brings warmth and light into Scorpio's life, while Scorpio adds depth, intrigue, and loyalty to Leo's world. For example, a Leo-Scorpio duo might thrive in situations that require both bold leadership and strategic planning, like starting a business or organizing a major event. Together, they balance charisma with intensity. Their biggest challenge? Power struggles. Both Leo and Scorpio like to be in control, and their intense personalities can lead to clashes. However, when they learn to share the spotlight, they create a relationship filled with passion and loyalty. Now let's explore a pair that's both futuristic and grounded: Aquarius and Taurus. Why they're unusual? Aquarius, the innovator, is ruled by Uranus and thrives on freedom, change, and unconventional ideas. Taurus, ruled by Venus, values tradition, stability, and comfort. At first, it seems like these two would never see eye to eye. Aquarius dreams of revolutionizing the world, while Taurus finds joy in life's simple, predictable pleasures. But this pairing proves that opposites truly attract. Taurus provides Aquarius with a sense of grounding and security, while Aquarius inspires Taurus to embrace change and step out of their comfort zone. For instance, an Aquarius-Taurus couple might balance each other by combining Taurus's love of beautiful, tangible creations with Aquarius's vision for innovation. What do you think? Can Aquarius and Taurus find common ground? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So, why do opposites attract? These unusual zodiac pairings, Aries and Cancer, Pisces and Virgo, Leo and Scorpio, and Aquarius and Taurus, show us that love isn't about being the same. It's about finding balance in differences. Which pairing surprised you the most? Do you have your own story about an unusual zodiac match? Share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next time, we'll uncover which zodiac signs are destined for wealth and success. You won't want to miss it.